Good morning all of you. Welcome to Narana Live classes. Today I am going to explain the 27 graded key assignment. So in the assignment the first question is, if 5x plus 2 by 2x plus 3 is equal to 12 by 7 then the value of x is, here one see what is given in the question. So here given that 5x plus 2 by 2x plus 3 is equal to 12 by 7 is given. So here one see we are doing the cross multiplication of, that means 5x plus 2 multiply with here right hand side denominator 7 and here 2x plus 3 multiply with 12. So in before of brackets what is that we have 7 here. So 7 5 is 35x and 7 2 is 14. And here also 12 3 is 12 2 is 24x. 12 2 is 24x and 12 3 is 36. 12 3 is 36. So here we find out the value of x. That means the plus 24x is come this side. That means LHS side. It is minus 24x. 35x and minus 24x and plus 14 going to that side means it is minus 14. So 35x minus 24x. How much you got the value here? 11x. How much you got is the value here? 11x. And 36 and plus minus 14. How much you got the value here? 22. How much you get the value here? 22. So here 11 is multiplication and in LHS side. So then go to here. RHS side it is divisible. So in how many times it's cancelled? 11 table 20 times? 22? 2 times it's cancelled. In 11 table 22 how many times it's cancelled? 2 times it's cancelled. So what is the value of x value? 2. The value of x is 2. Okay. And next second question. We discuss the second question. If x plus 7 by 3x plus 16 is equal to 4 by 7, then the value of x is, here what is given in that question, first we are taken, that is here what is given in the question, x plus 7 3x plus 16 is equal to 4 by 7. So we are doing the cross multiplication, means 7 into x plus 7 is equal to 4 into 3x plus 16. 3x plus 16. So 7x into 7 into x, 7x. 7 7s are 49. And 4 3s are 12x plus 4 16s are, what is the answer of 4 16s are? 64. So 64. So here the 7x going to that side means 49 is equal to 12x plus 64 minus 7x. And the plus 64 come this side means 49 minus 64. So 12x minus 7x. So here once in 40 minus 15 and 12x minus 7x means 5x. 12x minus 7x means 5x. Here we want to see the 5 come this side means minus 15 by 5 is equal to x. Minus 15 by 5. Here I am writing minus 15 by 5 is equal to x. In 5 table 15 how many times it's cancelled? 3 times it's cancelled. So what is the value of x value? Minus 3. What is the value of x value? Minus 3. Okay, next we discuss the third question. Okay, the third question is, if x by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 3, it's x by 3 plus 1 by 2, then the value of x is, so here what is given in the question? x by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 2 is given. So that is we are taken here. Given that x by 2 minus 1 by 4 x by 3 plus 1 by 2 is given. So here we are transposing the variables one side and constants will be one side. Like that x by 2, the x by 3 come this side means minus x by 3 and the minus 1 by 4 that side going means it will be plus 1 by 4. What is that? Here minus 1 by 4 going to RHS side means it is the plus 1 by 4. So here what is the here one stick here denominators are same or different denominators. So different denominators means what we do here? We are doing LCM. So what is the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So 6 is the LCM. In how many times it's cancelled? 3 times. That means 3x and it is cancelled 2 times. So that means here we are taking 2x. And here also one thing different denominators. So what is the LCM of 2 and 4? 4. So it is cancelled 2 times and it is cancelled 1 time. So 3x minus 2x, how much? X. X by 6 and 2 plus 1, 3 by 4. How much? 2 plus 1 we got it here, 3 by 4 got it. Here it is here LHS side is 6 is there, then going to RHS side it is multiplication. That means 3 by 4 into 6. So 3 by 4 into 6. So what we get the x value here? The x value we get it. What we get the x value here? The x value we got it. It is cancelled in 3 times. 2 table it is cancelled in 2 times. So 3 3s are 9. 9 by 2. So what we got it? The x value here 9 by 2 we got it. Okay. The next question we discuss. The fourth question. 4/5 of a number is greater than the how much it is greater? 3/4 of a number. 3/4 of a number by 4 find the number by 4 find the number is here one see 4/5 of a number is greater than the 4/5 of a number is greater than the 3/4 of a number. By 4 find the number is. Here we don't know the number, so that's why we are taken as the number be a x. So let the number, the solution is, let the number is equal to x we are taken. What we are taken here? X we are taken. So 4/5 of a number is saying. So 4/5 of a number means we are taken as 4x by 5. 4x by 5. How much is greater than 3x by 4? That means we are taken as 3x by 4 plus number by 4. That means we are taken by 4. So the plus 3x by 4 come this side means minus 3x by 4 is equal to 4. So here denominators are different. So we are taken as the LCM. What is the LCM of 5 and 4? 20. What is the LCM of 5 and 4? 20. And the LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. So here we get the answer is x by 20 is equal to 4 we get it. X by 20 is equal to 4 here x by 20 is equal to 4 we get it, and x is equal to 4 into 20. So x is equal to 4, 20 is 80. So what is the value of x value? 80. Okay. Next, fifth question. The fifth question is, if 40% loss is, if 14% loss is obtained by selling a clock, obtained by selling a clock for 301 rupees. How much it is selling? 301 rupees selling for 301 rupees. So then the cost price is CP means cost price. Okay, here once if 14% loss is obtained selling a clock, but how much it's selling? 301 rupees. So then the cost price is, so here once we know the cost price, here we don't know, so that's why the cost price is we taken as the X we are taken here. So the cost price is what we are taken here? Here X we are taken. So loss is given. Loss how much is given? 14% is given. Loss is equal to 14% means that is X. Okay, here in the X 14% is given. 14% of X. That means 14% of X means your percentage means 14 by 100 into X. That means 14x by 100. 14x by 100. So what is the formula of selling price? Selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. So here selling price is given. What is given? Selling price 301 rupees is given. So we are writing here 301 rupees. And cost price we know? We don't know. So we know X. And loss is equal to how much? 14x by 100. 14x by 100. So 301 rupees is equal to 100 into X. 100x minus 14x by 100. 100 into X. 100x minus 14x by 100. So 100x minus 14x 86x. How much here? 301 is equal to 86x by 100. 86x by 100. So the 100 comes this side means multiplication is equal to 86x. Here 86 comes this side means division. 301 into 100 by 86 is equal to X. So finally what we got it? The X value 350 rupees we got it the X value. How much we got it here? X value 350 rupees. So here once 350 rupees we got it the X value. So what is the 350 rupees selling price? Okay. Next. So finally the 350 rupees is cost price. Okay. Next question. Sixth question. If X by 5 minus 5 by 7 is equal to 2 by 7. X by 7 minus 5 by 7 is equal to 2 by 7. Then the value of X is. So what is given in the question? First we are taken, that is, so X by 5 minus 5 by 7 is equal to 2 by 7 is given. So here minus 5 by 7 is RHS side going means it is plus 5 by 7. That means 2 by 7 plus 5 by 7. So once here denominators are same or different? Here same denominator. So that's why what we are doing here, numerators will be added. So added means X by 5 is equal to 2 plus 5, 7 by 7. So 7 by 7, that means numerator is same number and denominator is same number, it is cancelled. So X by 5 is equal to 1. X by 5 is equal to what we get here? 1. Here 5 going to that side means 1 into 5, 5. So what is the value of X value? 5. So what we got it X value? 5 we got it X value. Okay, next question. Next 7th question we discuss. After 15 years, Mary's age will be 4 times. Age will be 4 times if the present age then the present age of Mary is then the present age of. So after 15 years marriage age will be 4 times of her present age. Present age. Find the present age of. Find her present age. Find her present age. So one see here. After what is here we are find out the age of marriage age. We don't know the present age, so that's why we are taking as the x here. So let the present age we taken as x. What we taken here? X we taken here. After 15 years. After what is saying? After 15 years, her age will be 4 times of the present age saying. That means marriage age is equal to x plus 15 years. How many years we are taken here? X plus 15 years we taken. As per the sum given, what is given as per the problem? As per the problem, what is given here? 4 times it will be increased. So x plus 15 is equal to 4x. So the plus x going to that side means it is minus x. So 4x minus x. 4x minus x. So 15 is equal to 4x minus x, 3x. So 15x is equal to 4x minus x is equal to 3x. So the 3 come this side means it is divisible. So how many times it's cancelled? 5 times it's cancelled. So what is the value? 5. So x value is 5. So what is the present age of that girl is? 5 years. So present age of that girl is 5 years. Okay. Next 8th question. Dash number is that of which the third part exceeds the fifth part by 4. Dash number is that of third part exceeds the fifth part by 4. Fifth part by 4. Here one see. Dash number. Here we don't know the number. So that's why we are taken as the number will be x we are taken. So let the number is equal to x we are taken. But here how much it is? First saying third part. So that's why we are taken as the x by 3. How much it is exceeds fifth part. So that's why we are taken as the minus x by 5 is equal to by 4 is given. By 4 is given. So here same denominators, no different denominators. So that's why we are taken as different denominators. LCM we are taken. What is the LCM? 15. What is the LCM of 3 and 5? 15. How many times it's cancelled in 3 table? 15. 5 times. And this is 3 times. Is equal to 4. So 5x minus 3x. 2x by 15 is equal to 4. So the 15 going to that side means 2x is equal to 4 into 15. 2x is equal to 4 into 15. And here 2 going to that side means it's divisible. 4 into 15 by 2 in 2 table 4 times. How many times cancel? 2 times cancel. So 2 into 15. So 2 15s are 30. So what we get the value here? X we get the value. Okay. And next 9th question. If selling price of an article is 880 rupees, if selling price of an article is 880 rupees it's selling, and its cost price is, how much it is given? Cost price 750 rupees is given. 750 rupees. Then the profit is, here what is asking? Here one see, if the selling price of article, some article is selling, how much it is selling? 880 rupees. So what is the cost price of that article? 750 rupees. So then the profit is, so here asking the profit. So the question we are discussed, the given that, what is given? First we are taken, given that selling price, SP means selling price, how much? 880 rupees is given. And next what is given? The cost price. The cost price how much? 750 rupees. How much it is given? 750 rupees. So clearly we know here, one see, clearly what we have know here, the selling price is greater than the cost price. Here clearly we know here that selling price is greater than the cost price. So the profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So selling price 880 minus 750. 880 minus 750. 880 means, so here 880 minus 750. So here 880 minus 750 is equal to how much we got it? 130 rupees we got it. So the profit is equal to 130 rupees. Okay, the profit is equal to 130 rupees. And next the last question is, if selling price of an article is, 392 rupees. How much it is? 392 rupees. And cost price is 350 rupees. How much it is cost price? 350 rupees. Then the profit percentage is, so here one see, here profit not asking, profit percentage is asking. That means we are doing first profit, after we are calculate the profit percentage. Okay, so here first what is given in the question that we are taken, given that selling price is given, how much it is given? Selling price 392 rupees. And cost price, the cost price is equal to 350 rupees is given. Cost price is equal to 350 rupees is given. So profit is equal to SP minus CP. SP how much? 392. CP how much? 350. So 392 minus 350 how much? 42. We get the profit is how much? 42 rupees we get it. Here we calculate the profit percentage. So here we calculate the profit percentage. Profit is equal to profit by cost price into 100. So here profit how much you got it? 42 we got it. By cost price how much is given? 350 is given into 100. So 0 0 cancel. So 42 by 35 into 10. So 42 by 35, 7 times it is cancelled. It is cancelled 6 times. It is cancelled 5 times into 10. So it is cancelled 2 times. So 6 2s are 12. So what is the percentage of profit percentage? 12% we got it. Okay. Profit percentage 12% we got it. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.